Okay, so it's now 1 minute before 11 a.m., which means it's time for another required weekly test of the NOAA weather radio. Today's Wednesday, and yes, as you know, the test takes place every Wednesday at around 11 a.m. And this time we're going to be listening to the alert on my Sangean CL100, which I just recently got off of eBay. So we're going to be having the radio on, not on standby, but while it's playing, and see what the alert sounds like on here. Here we go. That is loud.
This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems.